Good morning, guys. Today is January 1, 10 in the morning. Kagigising lang namin kasi nga 3 in the morning na rin kami natulog kagabi. So, yeah. Hindi tayo maliligo, guys. Ay, sobrang walang liguan to. Bahala kayo. So, wash face na lang muna tayo. Tapos, linis. My God, ang dami nilinisin. There. Gustong gusto ko talaga to. Oh. Kita ba? Yan. Mura lang yung bili ko nito, guys. Sa parang tinatawag nilang normal store. Dito. Ganda siya. So, yan yung una kong nilalagay sa mukha ko. Yung parang after niya, nare-refresh na. See? Huwag nyo lang pansinin na ang eye bags. Ganyan talaga yan. Tapos ito, bagong bili ko. Sobrang mura nito, guys. Naka-sale siya na binili ko 10 crowns. Pero, sa grocery store ko lang siya nakita. Pero it's very, very nice. Kasi feel ko talaga na moisturize yung mukha ko. Okay. Lilinisin natin today. Kasi hindi natin lilinis kagabi. Kasi nga, sobrang late na. So, pakita ko sa inyo. There. Taran! Hey Google, turn on light. Yes. Ganyan. Pero madali lang naman yan. So, kita nyo ba ako? No, you're not. Yeah. So, yun nga, guys. January 1 today. So, the plan is, I'm gonna be vlogging a lot. Let's see kung ma-handle ko ba. Kasi nga, I'm working all the time. But then, today, January 1, it's holiday. So, may time tayong mag-vlog. And I hope guys, it will continue. Yeah. Ito naman yung aming curtain. Ang taas niya. So, ang haba ba? Ang taas. Ang haba. So, gumagawa ako ng knot sa baba para hindi siya sumayad sa floor. Yes. Tingnan natin ang ating okay naman siya. Grabe yung ulan kagabi, guys. Ulan and wind and all that. And then, yeah, may konting fireworks dyan. So, it's 10 in the morning. Pero look at, it looks like mga 7, ganyan. Pero ganyan naman talaga dito.
Take your order, sir. I'm taken by surprise. She's got a gentle kindness in her smile and a shining in her eyes. I need for her to see that I am not like other guys. I'll take a 6-piece McNugget and a small order of fries. Well, Jasmine, you're like the sweetest tea. You fill my heart with glee. Come on along and rescue me. Well, Jasmine, as like the deepest sea, no one could disagree. You are my fast food fantasy.
Guys, ito yung leftover na steak last night, guys. Madami pa, pero ito na muna kakainin ko. Kinamay ko pa. Anyway, ako lang din naman kakain. And then, rice. So, yeah, I made rice. And then, coffee. Yan. Yamsi. Gusto ko sana may egg. Ay, pero Wag na lang muna. Okay na to. Have to show that I'm eating fast. Ow. There. Kain na muna tayo before finishing the cleaning here. Char. Stop. Madali ang kain. Yumsy. Tomorrow guys, work na tayo guys. January 2. And then, actually, ang weird ng schedule ko. I have to say. I-check ko lang. Super fast. There. Okay, work ako tomorrow. 8 ng umaga until 3 ng hapon. And then, January 3 and 4, free na naman. But then, 5, 6, 7, 3 days straight work. And then, Monday, January 8, yan na, magpa-fly na tayo papuntang Pilipinas. Pero, it could have been nicer na parang mag-work na lang ako ng straight until Friday. And then Saturday, Sunday off para may time talaga na, ma-finalize everything. But then again, that's the way it is. I'm just happy I'm able to travel very soon. Yeah, so yun. Yung schedule tomorrow. Maging busy din kasi parang may new, new workmate. And then ako yung parang show around sa workplace. Yun muna. Ay, concentrate muna ako sa kain.